Guys, welcome back to the channel. We're over here at Prime Dime headquarters. I'm actually about to head out. We're gonna go put a monster clutch in my nephew's little S10, LS S10.
Stop.
What? I always do the intros.
Just tell them about the brakes, dude. They need help stopping.
Okay.
Like you do.
Exactly.
Okay, if you got the runs or if you got... I was gonna run with it. If you have trouble stopping, if you don't know, you know... Dude, you tell them about the brakes. I don't even know.
Look, check it out, dude. All right, you got a problem stopping, like stopping smoking, stopping chewing with your mouth open, stopping taking dumps and leaving the toilet seat down and leaving it messy, stopping fucking taking a piss and leaving the toilet seat up for your old lady. Stop and spending money you don't have. Stop lying to your children because, you know, one little lie turns into a big one. Stop buying crappy vehicles like Dodges and Fords.
Stop. Look,
What?
I can't afford, I got a badass set of brakes. I can't afford to put them on my truck because I got to buy tires, so I got to sell the damn brakes. Just tell them about the brakes.
Dude, it's got some TBM brakes, dude. They're pretty sweet. They're sweet. And they,
$3,300 value.
they're pretty
You
nice.
can put them on Marketplace, sell them for $1,000.
What we're
today.
saying is, look, you don't want to put these brakes on something with a steel wheel, okay? You want to put it on a car that's got a little bit of a, you know, see-through, so you can... Look, we got some badass brakes. They're TPM brakes.
This is them right there.
They're freaking awesome. Check them out. They're like almost $3,000 in value, but he can't use them on his truck because he went all Ford on the front end.
Small bolt Chevy pattern.
Yeah. Well, not you, but the brakes are.
brakes are.
Yeah, so anyway, check them out. Now tell them how they can get involved.
You can go to moonshinergarage.com and buy you a shirt like this. There's gonna be like 2 of them on there. You can buy 2 shirts. You can buy your mama's shirt. You can buy your daughter's shirt. You can buy all the shirts you want. It's gonna put you in for an entry to win. As soon as we sell enough shirts, we're gonna dump these brakes and somebody's gonna get a $3,300 value set of badass brakes they can sell, put on their car.
Stop, Thomas. Look, what he's saying is,
You can do anything you want with them.
You can stop.
Yeah.
You can do.
Yeah.
Sure.
Cleanest McFarland stop.
Yeah, you can.
17 miles
Yeah.
an hour with these same
Basically what he's saying is you need to stop what you're doing and head over to Moonshiner Garage and head over to. What he's saying is you need to stop what you're doing and head over to moonshinergarage.com right now and check out the shirts we got. Order a shirt. How are they gonna do it? They gotta order a shirt right here. Yeah, order a shirt and it puts you in for.
At 90 days, we're going to do a drawing no matter how many shirts we sell. And I don't sell many shirts, so if you buy a shirt, you got a damn good chance at winning.
Look, we need to stop winging it on these things because we're not good. We need to practice a little bit. But anyway, TPM brakes, here's the stuff. Now let's get to the freaking video.
Monster clutch time. I got nephew coming over in the swapped LS little S10 that y'all probably watched us put the cow tracks on and the Vikings and all that other stuff. Well, now he's got monster clutch, so we're gonna be putting in a monster clutch into the LS pickup today. So yeah, that'll be pretty interesting. I'm glad all y'all here. Let's get on it. Get him, Piston. Get out of there! They said it's a bad boy, huh?
That's what they said.
They said go ahead, dump it.
Got a monster in the house.
You. My man got 3 hammers in his hand. That's like, what is that, like 12-inch diameter? This is like 8 or something?
7/8, I think, or something like that.
Is
It's
it?
pretty close.
It don't look like much, does it, guys?
It sets down in that side.
That baby right there looks like it'd be tougher.
Looks like it. I mean,
But I don't know shit about them, so. Well, you ain't got two sides.
well, that one ain't got two sides, but I mean, but yeah, look how much thicker this one is across the board
versus the material is what it is.
Versus like how deep these are. And this one's worn half out, so imagine, you know what I mean?
This must be just some high quality shit, man.
Yeah.
Pretty though.
Looks fancy.
What's a twin disc mean?
Twin disc means you get 2 discs, 2 clutch discs.
Oh, well, double the whammy.
There.
Well, now.
Now,
okay.
Now we grab.
Okay.
And when you let out, this one pulls away, and then when you stay back in, them splines catch each other.
Okay.
Locks it down.
I feel better now.
I feel a lot better now.
What do y'all think, guys? Front end look better now or before? Hit the comments. Where are we at, nephew? What's happening?
Take the spring out of this, collapse it all the way, and measure from the face of the transmission to the face of the slave cylinder. Measure that, compare it to the difference between the bell housing and the fins on the clutch, and then strike those two. And you gotta use your skins to make sure you get the proper distance.
What happens if you don't?
It's not gonna work right.
No. Too easy. Okay, well into Sunday. We didn't get it done last night. I see you got the transmission back in. We had a bearing.
Yeah, pilot bearing issue. When you don't know, you just don't know.
When you don't know, you don't know. Where are we at now, though? It looks like we're all together. We just got the jack still strapped to it.
Yeah, I'll get to that point. Just bleeding the clutch, just clean everything up, we'll get everything out of the way, and sometimes you have trouble bleeding the clutches, and sometimes it works out if you go take a little drive around the block, come back, crack it up one more time, and go your clutch back.
Basically, he said he can't bleed the clutch, so he's going to try something different. It's in there.
Don't have a vacuum pump to suck all the air out, so I gotta do it hard way.
Oh, yeah, Moonshiner Garage does suck. Got that monster clutch, what's up? Well, that's 4 out of 6. I think you got it. All 6 of them? Sounded like you were shifting.
Yeah, went through all 6 of them, and lost that is when I ashamed I did something wrong. You know, I couldn't downshift to fit. You know what I mean? It locked me out. You know, I had to go to 4 and then to fit. And now it goes through to 6 fit. I nailed the Chevy this way.
Oh yeah, good.
But,
What's your problem, dude? Oh, we're gonna hit it anyway. That clutch is hitting. Oh, that clutch is hitting, baby. That 4th gear said, bam! No, that's it. We still about 9. No, that's it. No, that's awesome. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, Piston, let him make it. Come on, buddy, let him make it. There we go. Another Moonshiner Garage rolling. He's done come a long ways in that piece of shit. This is a legit shit box now.